a color wheel. First, you'll need 3 cups of water. Use some watercolor paint or food coloring to color your water red, yellow, and blue, which are the primary colors. Take 3 empty cups of water and mix your colors into the secondary colors, orange, green, and purple. Now, on my screen, the purple looks a little gray, but hopefully it shows up as purple on your screen. Take 6 more empty cups and put them in between each color and mix to make the intermediate, also known as the tertiary colors, such as yellow-green, blue-green, red-orange, and so on. Then make your circle really wide, find objects from around your house, and place them near the colors to make your own special color wheel. If you don't have cups or paint, you could just do the part on the inside where you take objects from around the house and try to shape them into a color wheel.